beneath the moon and under the sun. Whether near to me or far, it's no matter, darling, where you are. I think of you night and day, day and night. Why is it so that this longing for you follows wherever I go? In the roaring traffic boom, in the silence of my lonely room, I think of you night and day, night and day. Under the hide of me, there's an such a hungry yearning burning inside of me, and this Carvan won't be through till you let me spend my life making love to you night and day, night and day.
Hi, this is Craig Dennis. This is my exclusive purchasing site. You'll see all kinds of links over here to different pages. But I also put video up in the front. Lots of good text on the right too with links to important pages.
Night and day, under the height of me, there's an such a hungry yearning burning inside of me, and his torment won't come through till you let me mend my life, making love to you day and night, night and day. Night and day.
And then do the same thing for the used car pricing. And I put all the ads in here, and I break everything down. See the Engine for Life program I'm doing right now. That's a no charge extra. Gives you great coverage. Now when you're on the used car ad, see it's lit up too. And when you put the cursor on it, these other pages come up. So I got used minivans, sports cars, trucks, great deals on trucks, four-wheel drives. They're all right there. Right now I've got more trucks in stock than I've had all year long. And it's a great contact page. Gives you all the different ways to get in touch with me, ask me any questions. Down here at the bottom, that's the contact form. My name's Craig. Hope you enjoyed this little tour of the website. A lot of different pages on here. I've got all the rebates. And it's October 2nd. I'll be making some changes here. You can go to whatever, just take a picture of the whatever brand you're looking for, and it'll take you right to all the incentives. Try to make this as easy to follow as possible and break everything out. Help you make informed decisions. and of course, different ways to contact me up here. Give me a call. Have a great day. My name's Craig Dennis, and I'll talk to you soon.